Cooking up a storm, mastering English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the colorful English phrase, cooked up a storm. It's an idiom that adds flavor to our conversations, and understanding it can really spice up your English skills. So, let's dive in and explore this phrase together. First, let's understand what an idiom is. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. This can be confusing for language learners, but it's also what makes a language rich and vibrant. Cooked up a storm is a perfect example of an idiom. It's not about the weather, nor is it just about cooking. When someone says they cooked up a storm, they don't mean they influenced the weather. Instead, they're vividly expressing that they cooked a lot of food, or cooked something very well, often with great enthusiasm and skill. It's usually used to describe a situation where someone has put a lot of effort into cooking, resulting in a large and delicious meal. Let's put this phrase into context. Imagine your friend had a dinner party and says, "I cooked up a storm last night for the guests." Your friend is not saying they made the weather stormy. They're proudly telling you they prepared a lot of tasty dishes. Or if a chef at a restaurant says, "We're cooking up a storm for the festival," they mean they're preparing a feast, not changing the climate. While cooked up a storm is a positive and enthusiastic expression, remember it's best used in informal settings. You might use it when chatting with friends or in a casual conversation, but probably not in a formal business meeting. And that wraps up our flavorful journey into the idiom, cooked up a storm. Remember, idioms are the seasoning that adds zest to a language, and understanding them not only makes you a better speaker but also enriches your comprehension of the culture behind the language. Happy learning, and I hope you've enjoyed this tasty tidbit of English expression as much as I have. Stay curious, and keep exploring the wonderful world of idioms.